Travel light. Precise delivery. JZ Technology launches small industrial drone airdrops. It's the JZ AD2 Two-Stage Airdrop. The JZ AD2 features an all-alloy construction, weighs only 43 grams, attaches to the expansion port on the bottom of the drone with two skirts. The JZ AD2 uses the ePort light port for power and communicati, can be used simultaneously with a loudspeaker and searchlight, meet the needs of various mission payload combinations. JZ AD2 Two-Stage Airdrop. Now bays have built-in infrared sensors. Use the DJI Pilot app to display the mounting status of each bay in real time. Tap the corresponding mount icon on the screen to release the hook. No need to drop in order. You can also set custom buttons on the remote control. Use the remote control's physical buttons to quickly release airdrops. The AD2 can also be connected to an external gimbal and laser guidance module. This assists in determining the drop zone. Guide ground personnel to quickly retrieve dropped items. In critical search and rescue situations, in inspection missions requiring efficient multi-point delivery, efficiency and accuracy are significantly improved. AD2's two-stage airdrop capability enables critical supplies to be delivered regardless of terrain restrictions. Precise delivery, unleashing new potential for small industrial drone operations.